Hey there everybody, today I'm going to show you how to install PT1, Prototype 1, the whole graphics mod that I've showed you in the video. So what you're going to do is open up this zip, and here you have all these files, and so we're going to go to our Prototype 1 folder. Here we go. Let's just go to the prototype with no mod. We've got all these regular files. What you got to do is copy and paste all of these. Right click, damn it. Okay, let's drag all of these to here. Now it's gonna ask, do you want to replace this DLL? You will have to. So let's just replace existing file and continue. So now it's replaced. This DLL allows you to have the debug menu in a high resolution frame rate, fixes for Windows crashing, and also better support for the mod. And then you will have to open up text mod. Unfortunately, I couldn't make a direct exe opener that I used to do in other mods, because this is an old game and you have some processes like the DLL and everything, so I included a zip instead. So click on that, and here browse to your prototype folder, and you'll see this TPF. It's going to include on the textures, and press run, and this should give you a high resolution prototype game. Like here, it will take a while because I'm literally exporting a video in the background. My PC might just crash because of this, but let's try it out. Okay, so we are in the game. Press OK, press next, and if you go to option and if you go to videos, you can see that it says resolution level, which means it is exactly the resolution you're using on your computer. Press save, press OK, press OK. Now if you go to continue, let's just open up this one here, and let's press continue, and you will immediately notice that there is a lighting difference. There's a huge lighting difference. As a matter of fact, you can notice over here, and you have higher textures, right? Okay, so you have the high quality textures of all the vehicles, of the character. You have all of that working, and so that's it. I'll show you. I'll see you later. But in case your graphics doesn't work properly, you can turn that off, because you have anti-aliasing fixes in this Reshade, so you don't necessarily need it. And here you go, you can see that there's glow illumination, there's textures, there's everything. I'll see you later.